in again with another video, man. Lou Kang Kickx, man. You already know what's up, man. Hey, I'm a little hyped today, man. I'm a little juiced. Y'all know why? It's my 10th video, man. So y'all know how we do this, man. We're gonna grab these things, man. We're gonna unbox them, man. We're gonna get into it. And we're gonna do what we do. So let's go. Lou Kang Kickx, man. Oh, we got right here, man. Let's do it on the tape, man. Let's get these things open, man. Real quick this time. Get him open. Poppy, woo, okay. Know what these is, man. Oh yeah, look at that box on them. Look at that box on them, man. That is beautiful. Look at the box on them. This is not the normal 3 box, man. This is hard. Woo. These things open. Okay. Air Jordan Retro 3 Special Edition All-Star Weekend 2012. It's part of the Unite pack, man. Look at these boys, man. Ooh, 3 pairs of laces on him too. Woo! Oh my God, man. Let me tell y'all, man. Look at this leather, man. Look at the quality on them. Ooh, these is hard, man. Can y'all see this? Oh, we got the Nike Airs on the back too. Oh yeah, see? That's special. See these right here? I'm wearing some 3's right now. These ain't got no Nike Air on it. Look at that, man. These is hard, man. These is hard. You know, I think I'm more or less fulfilling the white laces though. So I think I'm gonna get that to y'all, man. I think I'm gonna give y'all a little, you know what I'm saying? A little peek of what it's gonna look like with the white laces, man. But these is hard. These is hard, man. So y'all know how I do. I give y'all a little history, man. So the 3's originally came out in 1988. All right, so they came out in 4 colors: white, blue, red, and black. All right, so 4 colors what they dropped, man. It's the first Air Jordan that ever came out that had an air bubble on it. Okay, that you could see actually the layer of air, the zoom air that's on it, man. And the first ones with elephant print on it too. Man, what a dope shoe, man. Hey, I just want to thank y'all, man, for rocking with me, for subscribing with me, man. All my subscribers, man. Y'all the real MVPs, man. So y'all keep rocking with your boy, man. I'm going to have some giveaways to give away soon. I just can't help it, man. I'm hyped right now, man. I love y'all. Keep rocking with your boy, man. Lou Kang Kickx, man. You already know. Woo. Until next time, man. I'm out.